Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Tanya. This channel is all about holistic health, wellness and lifestyle, and today I just wanted to do a quick update on what's been happening in my life for the last couple of weeks. I haven't been posting, and today I will tell you why. For those of you who don't know, in January, the 10th of January, I fell into a little hole in the grass and tore my ligaments. We've been trying for it to heal naturally, so I wouldn't need to have any surgery done. And eventually, at the beginning of February, I went and saw an ankle specialist, which my first surgeon referred me to, and he concluded that I would need surgery so they could put an internal brace in there so that my ankle wasn't so loose, if that makes any sense, so it can't open up and snap the ligament. So the internal brace will hold my ankle in position, and well, you can just call me bionic from now on. So yes, I have been healing, finally back in the boot. I know, what a weird thing to say, but after my surgery I was in a cast and that thing was absolutely horrible. I couldn't sleep properly, I couldn't get dressed, was basically in pajamas or shorts the whole time. And you guys, it seriously took a major toll on my mental and spiritual wellness. I can safely say that I've actually been a little depressed, and I'm just going to be honest. Going from being so active, running, having fun, playing with my kids outside, for goodness sake, to not being able to even help myself in the bath kind of thing, it is absolutely horrible. I kind of just lost my sense of purpose, my why, all of that. It has been a hard couple of months, okay? And slowly but surely, I've been getting to a place where I am okay with what is going on. I'm happy to start adding things back onto my plate. Obviously I can't run or train or even walk yet on my foot, but I am ready to put in the mental work, ready to get back into meditating, get back into journaling. I know it sounds so silly saying that even now out loud. Why did I ever stop? Why haven't I been doing this through this whole process? If anything, those tools would have been able to help me not feel the way I feel, or not feel the way I've been feeling. But I just couldn't. I didn't want to do anything. I haven't been studying, like I thought I would be. I just have not been in a good mental space. And I think it was during this week, I went back to work this week. I had my cast taken off, like I said, so my first day back at work was on Thursday. And I was down and out, man. I did not want to be there. It was just crappy. I was feeling sorry for myself again, all over again. And well, here we are today, and I'm ready. I'm ready to start taking those steps. I already started studying again last night. I'm excited to start meditating again. I know I'm going to be faced with many feelings, emotions, things that are just going to stare me in the face and be like, you better deal with this now, because you can't run away from it when you get back to exercising. You have to sort this out now so that you are mentally and spiritually fixed before you get back out on the road, so you are healthy mentally and you can get back, to your physical health. I'm also not gonna lie, I've straight up been eating my feelings. Straight up, real talk, no lies. I haven't even gotten on the scale, obviously, because I was in a cast, and that wasn't exactly accurate or fair to weigh with my cast. But I definitely know that I've gained fat. I'm a lot more jiggly and squishy. So definitely some centimeters and definitely a lot of fat. So we need to get that checked out, man. And that is 100% diet. I mean, I know with weightlifting and running and all of those things, my body will tone and, I'll lose the weight and all of that. But the biggest thing is going to be for me to get my eating right, which also has been a disaster once again. I mean, I'm sick. I'm still a little bit sick. I'm doing much better, but I know in my mind, intellectually, that sugar causes inflammation. All of these foods that cause inflammation, I know that they aren't good for me. I know that they're gonna, make me gain weight. I know that it's not going to make me feel good about myself. It's not going to help the situation at all. And yet still I chose, because it's still a choice, to indulge in chocolates, in foods I don't even normally eat. Like, literally, I don't know what's going on with me. So I just legit don't understand why I'm doing the things I'm doing. I mean, I know, like I said, I know that I'm probably a little depressed. It's not so much so that I don't want to get up out of bed in the morning. Like I said, I mean, I've really not been treating my body well. I haven't been treating my mind well. I haven't been treating my soul well. It's just not been a good period in my life. However, I do feel that there is a lot that I can learn from this and use it, and move forward with it. So I really didn't want to make a long video today. I just wanted to let you know that I'm back. I'm slowly coming back, so I'm not putting too much pressure on myself to get these videos out. I'm not putting too much pressure on myself to get up and walk and go and move. But slowly I'm just getting back to the swing of things, getting back to the me I enjoy, doing the things that I enjoy doing, and working on myself. Ultimately, that is the goal. I need to work on myself. I know this is going to be a lifelong journey, so I don't expect it to be just done in a day or a week or a month or even a year. I know this is going to be a very, very long process, and I'm ready. I'm excited and a little scared of the demons I'm going to be facing, because I know I've got plenty of those. But I'm excited to step back into my faith, step back into searching and all of that. So the kids are calling me. I just wanted to say thank you so much for coming back. Thank you for watching. Thank you for all of those who have popped me messages asking where I've been. So see you guys soon. Bye.
If you haven't already, please do hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like the video if you liked it. Give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that notifications bell so that you are notified every single time I post a new video. Thanks guys. Yay!